Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel, try it yourself. I have kind of problem on the road. I'm in Canada doing this load to Alberta, and yesterday I caught a huge rock on my windshield. It actually the size almost I mean just a little bit smaller than my hand. And I couldn't do the repair right there on the spot, and I was hoping that it's gonna stay the way it is, because the whole damage, it kind of was circle. At first I thought that maybe chunk of it actually chipped out, but no. It cracked pretty scary, but it stayed together. I couldn't do the repair though right there on the spot, because first of all, even though it's April 25th over here in Canada, especially up there in North Canada, I was even farther than actually just outside the Edmonton when I caught this rock. Anyway, still was too cold, and to do this kind of repair you gotta have at least 50 degrees outside, ideally sunny weather like I have over here right now. Traveling north, and the plan was to get a little bit farther south, which I'm traveling to right now in British Columbia, so farther, closer to Vancouver, and I wanted to do it today. But my disappointment was when I woke up this morning, when I spent a night up there in the mountains. The crack spread out quite a bit, and this repair right there on the instruction, it says that it could fix the crack up to 12 inches. This is much bigger than that, so I don't expect great results. My goal is just to spread the crack, hopefully to isolate it in the form that it is right now. It wouldn't go any farther than that. So it didn't spread into my viewing area, so if I can contain the way it is, I will be very happy. So right here on the road, and I have a little bit, I actually spent a few repairs. I have like a few smaller chips which I caught before it cracked farther than that. Well, this one I didn't have a chance even to deal with this, because like I said, it was like about 30, the temperature was in 30s, plus it was raining, so it's impossible to do any repair like that. So you're gonna have to have either special UV light or something like that. I don't have any of that, and again, dry weather. So anyway, check it out how I did this video, how I did this repair. And if you're interested, I have actually another video that I did step-by-step repairs on the chips and the cracks. That actually, this thing is working. I mean, I'm driving on the road literally hundreds, thousands of miles, and you're catching all kinds of stuff on the road, rocks, you name it, it was on my windshields. I mean, this is not my first van. So you're not gonna spend 500 or whatever it costs right now dollars to replace your windshields every time, or even smaller chip. You go to the shop, it costs 90 or whatever dollars, and after a certain point they refuse to do repairs. So anyway, this saves you quite a bit of money. I mean, it did save for me. So just check out this video, check what it looks like, I mean, from beginning to the end. And so that's that. Check out the video. So resin should cure about 5 to 10 minutes, which over here on the left side it should be done by now. So 1 week and 3,000 miles later, I'm home and the repair is still holding, at least for now. If you guys actually interested in repairs like this or topics like this, you can find a link to the a lot better video below over here, when I actually made a video about with instructions step by step in the normal speed. So if you're interested, you can find it out there. And if video like this was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, shoot me a like, and if you have a problem like this, good luck.